How are you guys doing today? My name is Franks. Thank you for joining Messy Kitchen with F.P.B. All up in the house, it's all good. So today, I'm going to show you how to make homemade butter with some pure heavy whipping cream. Now everybody knows how to do it. We're going to do this with Big Bertha. Only one stipulation: when I did it earlier, guess who forgot to turn the sound on? Woo! So we're going to try to put the segments in the best that I can. Make sure that you tickle that little bell and hit subscribe, because we appreciate you. Thank you for our 28 viewers. We get up to 100 and we might put together a website. Who knows? Alright you guys, that was how we make the homemade butter. You also learned how to make some homemade whipping cream and buttermilk at the same time. I hope you enjoyed it, and we might do it again later with some seasonings, okay? See you on the flip sides, dudes. Ciao. Come on, push the bell. Push it. Push subscribe. I dare you. Come on, I double dare you. I double dog dare you. Come on, push it. Just push it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You got you.
Bye. Bye now. Is everyone gone? Can I stop smiling?
You can stop smiling.
This hurts.